Question number 9. Solve. Give your answer in exact form. So exact form does mean we don't pass the calculator. So we have e minus 3 equal to the e square. So x minus 3 equal to e square. Why? Because we have this one is actually log e x minus 3. Then the e move to the other side. Then the x will be the e square plus 3. Okay. B, we ln both sides. 2x minus 1 ln e equal to the ln 7. So ln e is actually 1. So we have the 2x equal to the ln 7 plus 1. So x will be the ln 7 plus 1 over 2. That C, if you smart enough, then you can do it this way. We factorize the e power x. Then we have the e power x equal to 0. Then the x ln e equal to the ln. No, e power x equal to 0. This one no solution. Because the graph for ex is like this. Okay, it will never 0 or negative. Then we have the ex minus 4 equal to 0. Then e power x equal to 4. Then we will have the x ln e equal to the ln 4. So x equal to ln 4. Okay. So if you cannot do it this way, then what you can do is we do it like this. You let u equal to e to the power x. Then the u square is ex square, that is the e2x. Then we have the u square minus 4u equal to 0 and factorize. Then we have the u minus 4 equal to 0. Then we have the u equal to 0, u equal to 4. Then only we substitute ex is the u. Then this one no solution. And then we will have the e power x equal to 4. Then x ln e equal to ln 4. Then x is the ln 4. So it also can write this way, 2 ln 2. Because the answer given behind is 2 ln 2. Okay, 2 square. This is the first method and this is the second method. If you can factorize the ex, then you no need to use the second method. But if you cannot, then you have to use the second method. Especially we go to more complicated question later. D, we have the e power x is 2 times 1 over e power x. Then we will have the ex square is 2. So when I multiply the ex to the other side, then we will have the ex will be the plus minus of square root 2, but ex will greater than 0. So we have the ex is square root 2. Then x ln e equal to ln square root 2. Then we will have the x equal to the ln square root 2. Okay. But the ln square root 2 is actually the ln 2 to the power half. Then it will be half ln 2. Then it will be the ln 2 over 2. So this is also ln 2 over 2. So ln 2 over 2 is the answer given in the workbook, course book. So E here, we can do the factorization. We have the ex 4, 5, 20 minus equal to 0. Then we have the e to the power x equal to 4, e to the power x equal to 5, then x equal to ln 4 and x equal to ln 5. If you don't know how I get the second step, then you can let u equal to e power x. then u square will be ex square, then it will be e2x. So this one will become u square minus 9u plus 20 equal to 0. Then we have the u 4, 5 minus minus. Then we have the u equal to 4, u equal to 5. Then we come back this thing. So for this one, we have the e power x plus 6 1 over ex minus 5 equal to 0. Then we have the ex square minus 5, okay, plus 6 minus 5 e power x equal to 0. So we have the e power x square minus 5 e power x and then plus 6 equal to 0. And we do the factorization equal to 0. Then we have the e power x, 2, 3 minus minus. So we have the e power x equal to 2 and the e power x equal to 3. Then the x will be ln 2 and the x will be the ln 3. Done. So just now this one, the ln 4 here, okay, will become 2 ln 2 because this is ln 2 square. Okay,